Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get verified on Instagram app step by step. Before we examine the process, you should make sure that your account needs to represent a real person or business. Second, you need to have only one verified account under your name or business. Third, your account needs to be well known. Fourth, your account needs to have bio, profile picture, at least one post and be public. After you complete the requirements, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Then tap on the settings option. Tap on account option. Then tap on request verification. First, you need to write your full name. Choose a document type to upload. It could be a driver's license, passport, national identification card, tax filing, recent utility bill, articles of incorporation. Then choose a category that describes your account. Choose your country. If you use another name for your business or brand, write on the part of also known as section. You can add your account's website link. Tap on Submit button. It can take a month to get verified by Instagram. If they deny your application, you can reapply 30 days later. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.